Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 24th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So on the dollar yen monthly, I still think this is very clearly a 1, 2, 3, a 4, and I still think we're in a wave 5, which I still believe is going to go a minimum to one of these two fib extensor levels, which I still believe that 61.8 right at the 157.5 area is the most likely place for this to end up. So let's keep that in mind and head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think it's clear this is a 3. I think it's very clear this is 3 waves down for a wave 4. Looks to me like a 1, 2, 3, and I think that we still have a decent amount of upside potential, and eventually we're going to go up and make a 3, a 4, and a wave 5. This right here would be a 1 and a 2 to finish off this uptrend. Most likely a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 5. So taking it right down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I am for sure still looking for longs. I still think this is a 1 and a 2. We have definitely been continuing to make higher lows this whole way up. Not one time have we broken any structure to the downside yet, telling me that I for sure should be continuing to look for longs on shorter time frames at the end of pullbacks. So taking it down to the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this whole move up. Now this move up right here to me looks very overlapping. It kind of almost looks like this could be the A right here and this could be the B, and that we actually could be in a C right now. And we do have a little bit of a bounce at the 38%, but for me, I wouldn't really enter long until I saw an engulfing move to the upside, which we really don't have yet. So like I said, I don't really think I would go long quite yet. I think there is possible a pretty good possibility that we may go down to one of these lower fib levels before we actually do end up continuing the uptrend. So taking it down to the 1-hour time frame. So 1-hour time frame, what's going to tell me that this move is over and that we are going up is if we get a break of structure to the upside. If we get that break of structure to the upside, then we get a pullback. At the end of the pullback is where I would turn into a buyer and start looking for longs in an uptrend again. But like I said, I wouldn't be surprised if it did go that lower. So if it does make a lower high, and go down, I would continue to look for shorts at least until we get a break of structure to the upside. Once we get that break of structure, like I said, I will definitely turn into a buyer again, and I will start loading up at the end of pullbacks for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.